Hello students, welcome to Show of Sir's classes. You can reach us on www.showofsirclasses.com or call us or WhatsApp us in case of any queries or clarifications on 9836793076. You can also email us at showofsirclasses@gmail.com. So today we'll be talking about some IIT JAM Chemistry questions from this year, that is 2018. So we have question number 41 in hand. The number of possible isomers for PT, PY, NH3, BrCl, which is a complex, is, and we have to write the number of possible isomers. So this is a numerical type answer question. So now we know that this compound exists as a square planar structure. So this will be BrCl NH3, and this will be the square planar structure, and this is the complex. So we have to find the number of possible isomers. So we know that this exists as this form also. So here there's a Br and again there's NH3 here. So this is a square planar structure again. And another structure is this PT, Br is present here, and this is Py, this is Cl, and NH3 here. So this is another square planar structure, and these are the three structures, these are the three isomers in which this complex exists. So the answer will be 3. Now moving on to the next question, we have question number 42. The volume of 0.3 molar ferrous ammonium sulfate solution required for the completion of redox titration with 20 ml of 0.1 molar potassium dichromate solution is, and we have to find out the volume. So this is also a numerical answer type question, and we know that N1 M1 V1 equals to N2 M2 V2, and the reaction present here, the reaction involved in this titration is Cr2O7, because this is a potassium dichromate solution and we have ammonium sulfate solution. So Cr2O7 will be present, plus Fe2 plus will be present, plus H plus will be present. Then this will give us Cr3 plus Fe3 plus H2O. So this will be 6, this will be 1, this will be 14, and this will be 6 again, this will be 2, and this will be 7H2O. So we are just balancing the equation involved now. So this is what we know, and this is the reaction. So we can figure out the value of N1 and N2. So here you can see that each mole of potassium dichromate, that is 1 molecule of potassium dichromate, reacts with 6 molecules of F2. So each mole of potassium dichromate reacts quantitatively with 6 moles of Fe2 plus. So Fe2 plus, 6 moles of Fe2 plus reacts with 1 mole of Cr2O7 to minus. So effectively N1 will be 1, N2 will be 6, and M2 will be, as given in the question, it is equals to 0.1 molar, M1 is 0.3 molars, and V1 and V2 we have left. So V2 is given as 20 ml, so we have to find the value of V1. So putting the values here, we have 1 into 0.3 into V1, which is equals to 6 into 0.1 into 20. So V1 will be equals to 40 ml. So the value or the volume of Fe2 plus required will be 40 ml. So the answer is 40 ml. Thank you.